Hi, I'm Andy Lade. It's the 2nd of May. I'm doing Dordle, Quordle and Octordle. And let's start off with frock, nothing, waist, few, guild, nymph. Which only gives me 2 goes at it now. And so that's source. And this one is, it's got an S, an A, an E, a Y. I'm going to say SA. And that lasted 30 seconds and we're done. And now we're on to Quordle. Same words to start with. Waist, frock, nymph and guild. And that gives me 20 letters, which should really give me a good chance of getting it. Bottom right is crane. G and I and L, and then SCRM, resum, no, well I guess, no, I don't think it, well, oh, serum maybe, serum sounds better. Right, that's going to be vapid. Oh, it could be, no, it can't be rapid. I've used a R. That's going to be vapid. Oh, and that's giving me, oh, so that's going to be vigil. That was a bit of luck to get the 2 V's. And on to today's Octordle. And we're doing the same ones, waist, frock, nymph and guild. Right, oh right, that's more or less spelt it out. It's got to be juice and there can't be anything else really. And that's fault. Jump down a bit. Right. GRO. No, I was going to say grope, but let's not go there. ST, oh right, it's got to be story, isn't it? I haven't got anything for the third word, we'll have to come back up to that one. SY, syrup. This one is WOLE. I was going to say, no, it can't be lower because there's an R. Elbow. We done a B. I suppose it could be elbow. ELBOW. Oh, the other one, which, right, anagram of elbow. Oh, the 8 is spinning round better. Look, I wonder why. The other one, which I've had recently in quite a few of them, is bowel. Oh, not bowel, so that's going to be vowel then. And we've got an F. FUINT. Unfit. Now, what did I just spell out then? Oh, yeah, that's right. And then this one here, which is RPNE. Preen. Right, so we got that, we got them. Got those 2. We've just got this one left by here, which is GR. And the G isn't at the front. And I've got 1 guess left. So it's going to be OGER. OGER. Roger. ROGER. Can't think of anything else. The only letters I haven't used are Z, X and Q. So it's got to be Roger. There can't be anything else. It is Roger. That's a weird one. I know you use Roger as in like a radio call sign, Roger and out, but I'd never thought it was an actual word. Right, so there you go anyway. How long did that take? Under 5 minutes for the Dordle, Quordle and the Octordle. Thank you for watching. Please, I keep on doing it. It should be that way. It should. Please subscribe if you got this far. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Cheers. Bye.